this Premiere Pro 2025 tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to make text glow. And so this is a no BS version, so I'm going to skip past that intro and stuff. So when it comes to making text glow, you have two options. You can go to my Patreon and download the already made preset effect, which will save you a lot of time, or you can do it manually. I'll show you how to do it manually. So once you're inside your Premiere Pro and you decided which text you want to make glow, you head over to the effects panel. Once you type glow, you can see this effect VR glow. I want you to drag and drop that onto your video. Once you drag and drop it onto your video, head over to effect controls. Once you're inside effect controls, you can play around with the glow effect like right here. So I can change the brightness, I can change the saturation, I can change the radius of how far it glows and like how soft I want it to be. Like this is a really nice glow. But basically that's it. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Otherwise, if this solved your problem, be sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.